Look guys, there's the swings. Let's go on them.
Alright then, you'll go first, Lil'Petey.
Okay, I'm ready to swing. Yay 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 yay. This feels epic. That was amazing. We'll have Puppycorn go next.
Alright, this should feel fun and cool. Yahoo! This is a lot of fun. Alright sis, you're the last one to go. Sweet. Let me get in.
Alright, we were going 5,
4, 3, 2, 1,
blast off.
blast off. Yeah, best ride ever. Did you enjoy the ride, sis? You betcha guys. That was an awesome ride on the swings.
Let's now find more cool things at the playground.